Hey guys, it's Amy Kosmalski, Diamond Ambassador here to chat with you today about Joyome before and afters. First of all, who is excited? This is the biggest thing ever to launch with Plexus. So if you guys aren't excited, you should get excited today. Now, I want to talk to you about the perfect before and afters. Guys, it's really easy for us to get distracted by what's behind us, what's happening with our hair, what's happening with our clothes. So let's chat about that a little bit. Let's first talk about clothes. So I never wear a tank top ever unless it's under something. But for today, for my before and afters, I'm going to wear a tank top. Now, well, for my before, because I don't have my afters yet, right? But each time I do my after, I'm going to wear this same exact shirt. Why? I don't want someone to be trying to find fault with the picture and figuring out, well, wait a minute, is she trying to cover something? Is she trying to hide something? Or be distracted by a different color, a different collar, a different neckline. So try to keep whatever you wear today for your befores the same thing that you're going to wear for your afters. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our hair nice and neat, slick it back, clean it up. I'm going to toss my ponytail behind my shoulder. And I want to make sure that whatever I have going on with my hair is going to be consistent in a week, 2 weeks, a month, 3 months, whenever I take my before and afters. Okay, so I want everything to look pretty much the same or as close as possible. So there we have it. You also, guys, you don't want to try hard to make yourself look miserable for your before pictures. You're not going to have to, guys. Trust me. The products are so amazing. I saw firsthand what all those testers look like. You're not going to have to make yourself look bad this time so that you can look good for your after. Okay? So no mean mugging for your before and then for your after. Whatever face you make for your before, try to make almost the exact same face for your afters. Okay? Now, let's talk about the background a little bit. We all live in our homes, right? There's my luggage and some other stuff just piled in the corner that I haven't attended to because I was in Scottsdale, right, this last weekend. But this is the best light in my house. I've got a really nice picture window in my bedroom, but sometimes bedrooms, closets, bathrooms, living rooms, kitchens, wherever your best light is, it may not be the best background, right? I'm distracted by this over here. I'm distracted by the light switches, the doorknob, this empty space over here, of course, the suitcases. So how am I going to solve that problem? Well, I'm going to tell you in a minute. First of all, I want to talk to you about finding your light. I want you to walk around your house and just walk towards the windows. Now, you're going to notice as I walk closer to this window, the light it's brighter, but as you can see, the imperfections sort of fade away because it's too bright, right? You lose the light in your eyes, guys. So I want you to back it on up. There you go. See how I found the light in my eyes? That's when you know you've got some pretty good light happening. And you're also going to notice all my freckles and my fine lines, my imperfections, a lot better in this light than close up on the window. Because the other mistake that we make, guys, is we try to we're like, okay, I'm going to find the best wall in my house. So this is a white wall in my house, right? Perfect for before after. Wrong. The light is coming in on this side of my face. You'll notice the shadows over here, the shadows on this side of my face. You want to try to keep it consistent across your entire face. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to find my light again. All right. Now, here's a very easy trick. All of us moms or dads probably have a poster or a poster board hanging around their house, right? Here we go. All right. So I can hold mine because it's a poster board, like a foam board. So I can hold mine behind my back. You may want to sit down in a chair and hold it, for yourself. But there you have it, guys. Now, when you're taking your before pictures, let me find my light again, the better light. There we go. When you're taking your picture, you're going to want to make sure whatever angle you do for this picture is the angle you do for the next picture, right? We're not trying to change it up any. You're going to want to take a picture from the front, from the side, from this side, and then I'm also going to take one really close up. Again, this is selfie mode, so it's not going to show as well, but my pores are horrific, guys. So that's the area that I'm really trying to target besides the fine lines and everything else happening and the red spot between my eyebrows. That is not a zit, y'all. That's a red spot. So I want to take a really nice close-up picture of my pores when I take it. I'm probably going to close my eyes for that one so that I'm not like this for the picture, because that can be a little bit awkward sometimes. So when I do my close-up, again, I'm probably just going to close my eyes. So spin the camera around, not on selfie mode. It's a better camera on that side. Now, let's say you don't have a poster board. Then what? No big deal. Everybody's got a towel and everybody's got a chair. Right? Okay. I'm assuming anyway. I'm going to hang the towel over the back of my chair. I'm going to show you guys in a minute once I get it on there and once I get into some better light. Okay, hold on. All right. So I'm going to get down because the towel is here. Right? And all I did was I put the towel over the back of my chair. And there you have it, guys. Nice, clean background. Nothing is distracting, right? If you can have someone help you or you can clip it up so that your arm doesn't have to be up, that's great. If not, you're good to go. Or you could do 2 chairs. You could do it across 2 chairs. But you're going to want to be close up anyway. You're going to want to be close in on your face. So there you have it. Poster board, towel sheet, whatever, over chairs. Just make it clean. Find your best natural light that you can possibly find in your house. Walk around on selfie mode until you find that best light where you see the little white boxes in my eyes. Now, guys, whatever time you take your picture, if it's 10 o'clock in the morning for your before, you're going to want to take it at the same time for your afters. Okay, guys, so remember, a nice natural close-up, no mean mugging, so mine's probably going to look something like this. And then you're going to take your side, your other side. I'm going to do a close-up. If your issue spots are on the side, you're going to come in close here. Wherever your issues are, try to go close up. Remember, with your camera turned around the other way and in the best natural light that you can. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see all of your beautiful faces in your befores and your beautiful, really beautiful pictures in your after. And for you guys, you're handsome and then even more handsome. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Get out there and find your joy. Bye, guys.